Ministers to discuss the drone movie Gatwick after the suspect is released. Detectives are checking a damaged unmanned aircraft found close to the last site. The ministers will discuss Gatwick's unmanned drone film during a Christmas night conference call when detectives inspect a damaged unmanned aircraft in an attempt to catch the culprit. A 47-year-old man and a 54-year-old woman arrested during the investigation were released without being charged after 2 nights in detention because police said they were no longer suspects. Sussex police confirmed that the force was not the one who returned to the square, as investigators had investigated 67 cases and examined forensics. A damaged unmanned aircraft found near the perimeter. Runway. Gatwick Airport is awarded £50,000 awards through Crime Stoppers, and another £10,000 was raised by charitable President Lord Ashcroft to catch perpetrators of the chaos, affecting about 140,000 passengers. Detective Director Jason Tingley said he hoped this money would convince someone to move forward with an important clue. When asked about speculation there was never an unmanned aircraft, he said, "Of course, that is a possibility. We are working with humans saying they have seen something." About 1,000 flights were cancelled or diverted for 3 days after unmanned aircraft were discovered inside the belt of the UK's second-largest airport on Wednesday. A government source said the disruption at the airport will be discussed during a conference call on Christmas Eve, which ministers will join. Mr. Tingley said there was no video footage and investigators were trying to confirm the sightings of members of the public, police and ground personnel, as well as forensic testing of damaged aircraft. Harm, found near the runway belt, in Horley, by a member of the public. But he explained that testing could be hampered by wet weather on Friday and Saturday, which may have washed away the evidence. And he cannot rule out the risk that the culprit will attack again at Gatwick or another airport. Someone, somewhere knows the culprit or culprit responsible for this, or has information regarding these incidents, he said. However, second, our tactical response, if there were any more unmanned shots, still in place,